Well, I've got the head installed. Had 8 thousandths milled off, they said. And got the cam bolts there, these cap deals here, tightened. They're 106 inch-pounds. Bolt pattern is, let's see where we at. Third one over here. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you go over here 7, 8, 9, 10. Same way with that one. Bolt pattern on the head bolts here is you torque them down to 22 foot-pounds, and then you turn them 240 degrees, which I used one of these here, where you set the screw at 0 and then you turn it 240 degrees. I mean, of course, you gotta put it all to, you know, things. This here clamp it to something so it don't turn. And but you can do it other ways. That's the way I did it. And then anyway, 22 foot-pounds on the head bolts, and then you crank them to 240 degrees. And then the bolt pattern, let's see, it's on this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Anyway, guess that's got to put a few things in there. Got the intake on. Oh, and then this cam here, it's got a little roller bearing that when they milled the head off, they took it out, and I couldn't get it back in there. It must have been, I don't know, they must have maybe washed it or something, heated it or something. I don't know what, but it wouldn't fit in there. I had to take some sandpaper and sand it down a little bit so it slide up in there. It's got to slide up and down for the fuel pump. Then it's got a spring underneath there and all, so make sure that slides up and down. Oh, and then make sure these are pointed up, and there's an oil thing on these here. Oil goes around. But that's about it, I guess. I'm at there, so that's where I'm at now. Thanks for watching. Bye.